好啦，而家我哋大概12點零鐘，而家就食少少嘢先。咁啊，呢度都係啲好似麥當勞啲 set 啦 ，burger 啊、熱狗啊、fish and chips 啊、seafood platter 啊，又或者一啲叫 family jumbo 啊，即係有包有魚咁樣。咁我哋嗌個 burger 試下先。薯條漢堡每日必食。好，我哋而家坐咗喺呢個表演廣場後邊呢度，咁啊大概食一陣，我哋就落去睇表演啦。
Hey, what's that over there? Where? Over there! Oh, serious? It's the river rats! Oh, man. It's just some shit. Hey, how are you? Hey, where are the all-stars? The river rats are back. The name's Barracuda. Oh, Edge. Nice new wheels, man. Axel, how are you, brother? Yeah, woo! That's the way. Hey, where's Razor? Oh, she's at the back end, your brother. What? What, brother Philip? Why? I didn't invite him because he always stuffs everything up. Hey, Razor, what are you doing? Philip? Philip? Hey! No! Don't do anything stupid! Poise, style, grace, precision. It's all the things you like, all on one leg, all on one skating. Girls, you are killing it! Spin around on one leg, but anybody can do that. This bloke here can do that. So you're telling me that is the only male school skier in the world? Yeah. I appreciate what's going on in the water then. Oh, it's got to the water further. Like these ladies out there, they're using 100% of their core strength, all while standing on a 360-degree climbing. That requires so much skill, so much talent. You know what to do. Let's give it up for Amber and Trish. Woo! All right, so tell me, bro, did you like those moves? No. All right, well, you know, these are the best moves in town. And they're like, we're going up the top of the thunder drop. All right, it's over to you, Disco. Drop that beat. The old bastard put away. Nice one, Disco, you nailed it. All right, now let's talk wakeboarding. Over to you, Slick. Show what you got. Now, most people, they need the wake of a boat to fly high. Not Slick. All he needs is the flat water and a cable. This is all about power. This is all about strength. Something you can't comprehend. Check this out. Hey, it's over to you, Slicker. Hit that kicker. Come on, send it. Oh, nice job, brother. Better like, you know what to do. Let's give it up for Disco, Amber, Trix, and Slick. That's right, the All-Stars. Woo! That was boring! Oh! No difference between us. You, pussycats. You're happy to just play with your little squeaky toys. Whereas we lions, we prefer to devour the entire carcass. Just tear the meat from the bone. Boys, hey. That doesn't make any sense. What does it even mean? Show what we mean. Edge!
Edge here is about to give all of you a lesson in freestyle jumping. Hey, there's your pick.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Oh, glad you asked. It's Adam and the All-Stars. Woo!
Oh, wow. I think I rehearsed that. Well, I notice you don't have a freestyle jumper on your team. But Edge here is the best in the business. Oh, yeah. Fly, Edge! Fly! How good is that, Dana? Also known as a backflip, or as I like to call it, an Adam bomb.
I think you mean Atom with the T, bro, and Atom bomb.
Anyway, on the way, please put your hands together for Edge! Hey, wakeboarder. Bro, watch out there. Yeah. Come on, bring it up. Bring it up. Come on. Yeah, you have it up. Oh, that burn. You know what else hurts? Red, hot, raisins! And we've got one over on the top. All right, Razor, let's show the All-Stars what you've got. That's right. You know how you have those two swivel skiers? Razor here is a swivel shredder. That's right. She's got 360, she's got 720, she's got everything you want. Wait, what are your girls' names?
Amber and Trix.
Such a coincidence, I think, because she likes to sprinkle little baby Ambers and Trixes on her cereal for breakfast. Hey, Razor! It's breakfast time! Oh, yes! Overhead, Swans, 720s, love it! Put your hands together for Razor! Hey, Razor, you actually made me realise why the All-Stars are so lame.
Oh, here we go. Why is that?
Well, you still think your guys are swivel skiers. You think that wakeboarding's not wakeboarding. You know what you need? You need an axle! Come on, right! Yeah! Look at it now. That's right. That's Axel riding high ski on the sky ski. So, ice ski. Yes, bro. It's a hydrofoil. Essentially, what he's done is ripped off a plane wing, jammed on the bottom of a surfboard, and then he strapped himself to it like a maniac! Oh, yes! It's a playground! Hey, to the dismount! To the dismount! Yeah! On the lake! That's how you do it! Riverbank style!
All Stars! All Stars! All Stars! All Stars! We say all, you say stars. All. All. We say all, you say stars. All. All.
If you're happy and you're not say give a rat. If you're happy and you're not say give a rat.
Whoa. Stop shaking your butts. Gross. All right, no more mucking around, fish guts. All of you and all of us out there right now. And all of you, you'll decide who rules this lake once and for all.
Guys, vote for River Rat.
Except
Vote for River Rat.
the guy in the black shirt.
Wait. Let me get this straight. What you're saying is, all of you, and all of us, out there, and all of them, shoes.
Exactly.
Except the guy in the black shirt.
Keep it on.
All right, let's do this.
And we're going to do it, all right?
We're going to do it right now.
It's time to do it!
Let's do this already!
All right, then, like, check this out. Cast your eyes all the way at the back, because coming in red hot are the single skiers. Now, these two are going to attempt to ski all the way around the bike. It's over to you, Trix. Don't lose your head. Oh, yeah, around the bike. Hey, but we ain't done. We're going to send him around again. I hope your driver's paying attention. Trix, you got to duck. Woo! By the way, that is twice around the bike. You know what to do. Make the noise for the single skiers. Woo!
Axel, you're a living legend, brother. Come on. Hey, Trix, you're pretty good too. I reckon with a bit of training.
Oh, yeah! freestyle jumper. It's our man Slick. All right, Slick.
In that case, let's get him slicked up early.
What are you doing? He's getting in the water anyway, bro. Another leg, check this out. Slick, go show him how to do it. There you go, the freestyle jumpers. Woo!
Hey, you know what? You never make it as a freestyle jumper. You are way too uptight. In fact, I think we should cool you down. What's up, mate? Scared of a bit of water, are you?
Do you want to wet my mic?
Yeah, sure. Well, I just hope that your wakeboarder's not that scared.
Oh, he ain't afraid, bro.
All right, mate. I just hope he knows what he's doing.
Hey, Slick is a professional. All right, another leg, eyes up. Check this out. This here is what we call freestyle jumping.
That's awesome. Everyone is going to want to be up in a rat.
Bro, more like a sewer rat.
Yeah, anyway, kind of like they can hear out there. So the more noise you make, the higher they fly. Let's start them with a clap. Come on. Let's speed it up. I want you to hit that round. Everybody, hey, stop!
What is that, bro? It smells like bad life choices.
Yeah, yours smells like moisturiser and love. Thunder Lake, put your hands together. Bro, incredible. Freestyle jumping! Woo! Anyway, that was awesome. Brilliant. Now let's...
Hey, you know what, Jake? That was really good.
No, good stuff. Oh, we're all high-fiving, are we? All right, come on, get your pants. All right, down! Oh, damn you.
Hey, bro, you know you don't say the word when you're down. Come on over to you. Thunder Lake, you want to see Disco go one more time? All right, Disco, send it, bro. Come on.
What are your best mates now, are you? Did you get his number? Add him on Facebook?
Check this out. Amber's on tricks on one skate. No, it's Slick. Oh, he's on none skate. Let's make some noise for Slick. Woo!
Who was that?
It was Slick in here. Oh, there you go, bro. By my count, you were all out of ace.
Hey! Whoa! Settle down there, pretty boy.
What is that?
This is a very poorly reversed dance that we have in the river rat. Yeah, it's a straight dance.
Don't make mistakes with his names. Well, no, what is that thing on the water?
Oh, that's something we came up with when we were kids. It's half truck, half boat. It's a trote. A trote! Yes! I love it! Thunder Lake, please put your hands together for my little brother, Billy! Yeah! Oh! Philip, just stand up. It's only that anyway.
Well, you know what, Cooter? There's only one thing I gotta say to you. That is the coolest thing I've ever seen! Yeah! How awesome was that? Oh, snap!
Come on, Thunder Lake. Let's see you cut those hands, cut those toes. Starting with the All-Star, we have Jack Moore, Lacey, Tyler, Elliott,
And another response, Nick, Chris.
我哋向右行啦，向右行啦，我先行個圈。 向右行啦，家姐。呢個係咩？可唔可以話俾我聽？呢個係咩啊？新嘅喎，喂。希頓呢度啊，喂。
哦。
行過去睇嘢啊！呢邊係個新開嘅即係主題公園其中一 part 啊。咁咧就係海王波塞冬主題一 part， 係啦，都幾型啊！要 check 得好仔細啊！你覺得呢個遊戲曾經咧喺大陸咧成個揈 Q 咗出嚟啊！所以咧玩呢啲要好小心，佢要 check 得好仔細。你想唔想玩啊？希倫，我同你過去啊 ，come。Go go go。好 ，come。一齊玩啦。OK， 好啦，咁我哋返酒店啦。OK，let's go。走去啦。
MIHK 嘅觀眾注意啦！由2022年1月1號起，鱷魚潭只會上傳到 MIHK.tv 嘅網站同埋 Patreon， 只供會員收看。每月並會上傳不少於10條嘅影片。如果各位想繼續支持鱷魚潭嘅，可以去下列 MIHK.tv 嘅網站付費，同埋到 Patreon 註冊會員。